Make sure you stay until the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Escape this generation right here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the engine computer fuses are located, which fuses you need to check, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So the engine computer fuses, where you can expect to find them, we'll demonstrate guys now on this generation Ford Escape right here. This is the pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version, it should work for both. The fuses that we need to check, we have 4 fuses that we need to check in 1 different fuse box. By the way, that generation Ford Escape has 3 different fuse boxes. The fuse box that we need is under the hood. Open the hood guys, pop it open, and you will find that view here. On the right side here facing the engine, you will have a fuse box under this cover. Open it, you will find that fuse box layout here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to always test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So for the engine computer, 4 fuses will need to be checked here guys. This is the rear towards the windshield side of the Ford Escape, this is the front, passenger side, driver side. Now the first fuse that we need to check is known as fuse number 12. So that fuse guys, number 12, will be actually that 30 amp fuse in our case. Your fuse amps may be different depending on the year and engine. Another one that you need to check is fuse number 31, right here, that 5 amp fuse guys. Next you need to check fuse number 32, right next to it. And after that, if we zoom out a little bit, go towards the windshield side, we need to check another one, that's 37, 38, fuse number 38, that 5 amp fuse right here. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.